Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's tutorial, I'll be doing a look with the new nude palette from Huda Beauty. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, then please keep on watching.
Perfect.
Okay, so first I'm gonna apply the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer all over my lid. And I'm not gonna set it with powder because it's gonna give the eyeshadow a nice base to stick to. Then I'm gonna pick up Teddy from the new nude palette and apply it in the crease and the inner and outer corners of my eyes using a fluffy blending brush. Here I'm switching to one of the new double-ended eyeshadow brushes from Huda, and I'm gonna use the big fluffy side to make sure that everything is nice and blended. Next we're gonna apply the eyeshadow Spanked from the same palette, and I'm gonna use the small side of the brush to place the eyeshadow in the crease and the inner and outer corners as well. Then I'm gonna flip the brush over and use the big side to blend everything together. Okay, now to darken the crease even more, I'm taking Love Bites and I'm blending this into the same place as I put the previous shades. So we're just gonna apply this in the crease and the inner and outer corners as well. Now to create the halo effect, I'm first going to take the shade Concealed, which is actually like a creamy concealer in the palette, and I'm gonna apply it onto the center of the lid. Then I'm gonna press on the eyeshadow Daydream on top of it. Here I'm just adding a little bit of the Spanked eyeshadow I used earlier in the inner and outer corners of my eyes to blend the shades a little bit better. And then for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna add a little bit of that Teddy shade and also a little bit of Spanked in the outer corners. To highlight my inner corners, I'm mixing Daydream and Crave to create the perfect highlighting shade. Then to light my waterline, I'm just gonna use this purple gel eyeliner crayon from Marc Jacobs. Because I'm going to be adding lashes later, I'm just gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty liquid liner and apply a thin line across my lash line. Then to finish off the eye look, I'm gonna apply my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara and Feline lashes in the style Siberian. Yes, that's right, I'm not using my regular Russian blue lashes. I lost my last pair. Now for the shakes, I recently fell in love with this palette again. It is the Becca and Chrissy Teigen palette, and I'm going to be using the blush and highlighter today. Then for the lips, I mix Vintage and Dainty Lip Gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that's it for this look. I feel like an actual Barbie with the blonde hair and this pink lip, but I kind of like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon with the new video. Bye!